I'll show you around. Let's check out the place and I'll let you know how much it costs to stay here. Sean here from the amazing country of Thailand. Today I'm in Hua Hin and I'm going to give you a condo tour. Let's do it. I took a leap and embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Alright, so you might be thinking, why Hua Hin? Hua Hin's actually a pretty nice place. It's only a few hours from Bangkok, so 2-3 hours to get here. Once you get here, you're on the beaches. It's quite nice. It's a long stretch of beach. The condos are really good and it's very affordable, much cheaper than being in Bangkok. Just wanted to chill out here, especially during the hot period. Not having a beach, having a pool, things like that. If you're in Bangkok, it's okay, but being able to have both beach and pool for some of the hottest months of the year, so it's the summertime here, plus on top of that, also having the ability to save some money, because nice condos in Bangkok are not cheap. That's why I wanted to chill, spend some time in Hua Hin. It's a nice place. It's not an island, but you do have the beaches here. All right, so let me show you around. So the name of the place that I'm staying in is Baan Kiang Fah. This is the lobby area. Here on ground floor in the lobby area, we do have some vending machines. So there's 7-Eleven vending machine where you can get toasted sandwiches, drinks, some snacks, even some meals. And here we've got a Tao Bin, which is coffee, latte, teas, sodas, protein shakes, smoothies, all different types of drinks that you can get here as well. So this is the car park here. So this is mainly where the motorbikes go. The cars park upstairs, so level 2 and 3 are the indoor car park for residents as well. So this is it. This is my place for the stay in Hua Hin. Bit of a studio style room with separate kitchen, bathroom. Have a look. So you got decent sized couch, chair, TV, fan, and the bed with a pretty good view actually. Looks pretty nice. You can see the mountains, and then over that side you can see the ocean as well. We're up on level 21, so the view's pretty good. So we've got cupboard here, and mirror. And for the kitchen, we've got full-size fridge, and a microwave as well. We've got a portable stovetop here. So your basic cooking utensils, cups, plates, knives and forks. And we've also got rice cooker, electric cooker, toaster and kettle as well. So quite a few, basically everything that you need. Small balcony. So this is the view from the balcony. So here we have the bathroom. So mirror, sink. Got the toilet and shower with hot water as well. Can't complain at all. The price is really good as well, so stick around to check that out when we cover the prices. It's a pretty neat, but some of the best features of this place is the pool, gym, and also there's a library and co-working area as well. So let's check that out. Alright, so this is it. This is the gym. Got some dumbbells here. And then over here we've got a bench press with your weights there. Pretty decent. And then you've got your machines here. You've got bike machine. You've got your stepping machine as well. Another bike machine. Another stepper. And then over here we've got the running machines as well. So pretty decent. It's not a big gym, but it does have everything you need just to get a workout done, flex some muscles, do some reps, and yeah, go for a swim. There's a pool too, so let's go check that out. So this is it, this is the pool. It's pretty nice. You get some sun pretty early in the morning, but in the afternoon there's not much sun on the pool. So usually get up, hit the gym at 7 o'clock when the gym opens and go for a swim afterwards, just to cool off, and before heading back, taking a shower and getting stuck into some work. So it's pretty nice. The other good thing about coming in the mornings as well, it's not too busy. In the afternoons it's just packed, so it's pretty good. You got the kids pool down there as well with a little water fountain, and you've also got these day beds as well that sit in the water, so you can sit down here and relax. The sun's pretty bright at the moment. It's pretty nice. It's all you need to chill. Got the gym as well, library, you can wash your clothes here. Pretty much, yeah, everything that you need and want is available in this place, so yeah, can't complain at all. And the price is really good. Obviously if you're long-term renting, you've got to add electricity and internet and things on top of that. I'm renting through an Airbnb at a monthly rate, so I get it cheaper at monthly than can be up to 50% off the daily rate. So, and I know some Airbnbs only do like weekly or monthly rents, so yeah, if you're looking less than that, obviously it's going to be more expensive, but yeah, the good thing about Airbnbs, just like hotels, electricity and internet is included. So in here we have the laundry room, and these things here are water refill. 1.5 litres of water for 1 baht, and these washing machines, they're all coin operated. So the big washing machine is 60 baht, smaller washing machines are 40 baht. Got a dryer here that's 1 baht per minute, so minimum 10 baht to start. So start off with 10 minutes and then whatever you want to add on top of that. So these water machines, they're like government regulated, purified water, so it's better than tap water. You can't drink tap water here. So there's this, or you just get bottled water from supermarket or 7-Eleven. So here we have the library. So this is like a co-working area as well. It's pretty cool. So you got PowerPoints down here to plug in. Desk areas to work and just chairs for reading, so not too bad. You can do your meetings and whatever you need to do down here. In here we've got some table tennis. You got your bats here, ping pong balls, which is good. And then you've got another area here for the kids as well. So a few games and stuff there, while the adults play some table tennis. Not bad. Right next to your library, you got the pool. The lobby downstairs is pretty good as well. So pretty much everything you need and want is in this place. To live here monthly, I'm paying 12,900. So that's on short term because I'm only on a tourist visa. I'm making the most of my return back here to Thailand from Vietnam. So it means I can stay here up to 2 months and then I'm heading off again to another couple of countries actually. So just gives me the opportunity to short-term rent but pay on a monthly basis because you do get the discount. So 12,900 baht is what we pay here for a month. If you were to stay longer and have like a 12-month rent, you can get it down to as cheap as 9,000 per month. 9,000 baht is a pretty good rate. Definitely value for money. As you can see, this is pretty good for what you get. The price, you really can't beat it. There's a lot of restaurants nearby. We're just a few minutes away from Market Village and Blueport Shopping Centre. It costs us 100 baht per day to rent a motorbike here for the month as well. So 3,000 for the month is all we pay there. So that's pretty good. Really can't complain cost-wise. All right, so coming up, we still have a lot more to come from Hua Hin. So we're going to check out the Hua Hin beach, get some sunrise there. So looking forward to that. Also going to do some cost of living videos in Thailand while I'm here in Hua Hin, plus the monthly wrap. And there's also a national park here, which I want to explore and do an adventure in. So all of that is to come from Hua Hin. And after that, I've already got 2 countries booked in, so flights are booked, accommodations booked, so off to other parts of Southeast Asia. If that sounds good to you, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out. If you have subscribed, you're amazing. And if you're stuck around till the end, you're awesome. You're the reason why I make these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.